Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is home and everyone is safe in this scenario of COVID-19. So as I am home these days and I am living in Maharashtra and the lockdown has been extended till July 31st, so I'll have to stay home. So I thought of making a video and starting my own YouTube channel. My name is Ankita, in case you don't know me and you are new here. So my name is Ankita, and I wanted to make this channel since a very long time, and I wanted to film this video. And this is the right time to post the video about Shein, because Shein is banned in India. Like yesterday only, this news came out that there are 59 Chinese apps which have been banned in India. So I thought this would be the nicest opportunity to post a video about Shein. Though I wanted to post about Shein since a very long time, as I had ordered a lot of stuff from Shein, like 7 pieces from Shein. This is the first time I've ordered so much from Shein, because earlier when I ordered from Shein, they were like 1 or 2 pieces just to see how the fabric and how the quality of Shein exactly is. Though I was never satisfied with Shein ever, but the kind of trendy stuff Shein has is something which I don't get in other sites. So I thought of ordering something new for myself, as I'm home and I'm very much bored and I want to experiment with my wardrobe and I want to upgrade into something new. So I thought of ordering something nice from Shein. So this was my last order from Shein, I guess. I don't know whether I'll be able to order from Shein now or not, because it is banned in India. So let's just start with the video, and I will be reviewing those products, like how exactly they fit me and how exactly they look on me. First piece which I ordered was this green dress. I just saw it and I just fell in love with it, because it was such a nice treat to the eyes. It was looking so nice on the model who was wearing it, and it was fitting her so nicely that I thought that it will look nice on me as well, because the size of the model mentioned was almost similar to the size of mine. So I thought maybe it will look good on me. So I'll just try it on and I'll see whether it fits me well or not. So this is how the dress looks. I'm satisfied with the fact that my bottom part is looking really nice, like it is enhancing everything, like my waist area and my bust, my hip area is being enhanced in a very nice way. But the only thing I did not like about the dress was this thing, which is like this part. This is loose, but my bust size is smaller than the model who was wearing it, so that's why I guess this is larger. So as this part is loose, so I'll have to get it altered or something, otherwise I won't be able to feel comfortable, because every other guy would be, or the waiter would be able to peep in my boob area and have a look at it if I don't get it altered, if I go to a restaurant or something. So I'll have to get it altered. The quality is good. The fabric is nice. I love it. It is very silky and comfy fabric it is. I liked it. But the only thing which I did not like was this part. So moving on to the next one. So this is the next piece, dress which I ordered. I love the fabric, but it is a little bit of see-through, because I can easily see my undies. And if you're not wearing white, and if you're wearing some other color, it would be very much visible. So I would suggest you that you get something which is of a lighter shade or of a skin color shade, if you don't want people to know the color of your undies if you're wearing this dress. And I love this fact about the Shein dresses, that they have this nice fitting area over here, and I love this fact that it enhances the figure, like it makes you look like bomb even if you're not. And coming to the bust area, so it is again a little bit of loose from here, because I think my bust size is smaller and I can't do anything about it. So overall, I would like to give this dress 7 on 10, but because it's see-through, so I would not like to give it 10 on 10. So let's just move on to the next thing which I ordered. I thought of ordering this one because I'm obsessed with ribs. Like these lines which are drawn on the top, these are ribs, in case you don't know. So like chicks must be aware about that. I don't know about guys. I don't know about guys clothing, like whether they have ribs on their clothes or not. So this kind of top I wanted in my wardrobe since a very long time, and I don't have it. I did not had it. I don't have it. So I ordered this one for myself. But I did not like this at all because I don't know which is the front part and which is the back part of this top, because there is no slip of Shein which is, you know, neither behind nor in the front, wherein, you know, it becomes easy for me to understand that which is the front part and which is the back part. Standing in my side position, what happens is like this. It is not fitting my body properly, and fitting is something which I'm obsessed with. So this top is a no-no for me. These are the ribbed jeggings, leggings, or active wear, whatever you people want to call it. So I ordered this because I wanted to, you know, make a set out of it. But then I'm not satisfied with this thing, the top. So I will have to, you know, see what exactly fits with this ribbed active wear. Like the material is a little bit thin, like as you all can see. And here you people can, you know, easily see your see the undies. Like here is my undie, in case you people are not able to see it. So I don't think it is a nicer way to, you know, work out wearing this thin material. So the next thing is this t-shirt and the skirt which I ordered. I don't know, but I thought this would be, you know, tight fitted, because they were selling it together, like it was a set all together which they were selling. And I thought it would be a great deal to order, you know, a top and a skirt together, because then I'll be able to wear it with my jeans if I want ever, and I'll be able to wear this skirt with other tops which I have. But then this was a very bad choice of mine, because the print is pathetic as fuck. It looks dehati as fuck, like the chhapri print, I would like to say it is. I don't like it at all. It looks chhapri as fuck. It is not my style. I did not like this print at all. So I would say this top is a big no-no for me. Like if you want this top for free, you can take it from me. Anyone. If interested, I can, you know, put a giveaway for this on my Instagram and the person can take it. Because this is pathetic as fuck. My money is not wasted. Now coming to the skirt part. So as plaid skirts are too much into fashion and too much into trend, so I thought of ordering this skirt. Skirt is fine, but it is a bit loose because my waist is smaller as compared to the waist size Shein is providing. But the skirt material is fine. You can, you know, get it edited, altered, edited. I'm gonna get it altered if I want. But then for the skirt I would like to say a thumbs up, but for the t-shirt I would like to give minus point. So moving on to the next stuff. Yeah, so the next is this top which I ordered. I love this part of the top, but the only thing I did not like about the top was it is not fitting my bust area in a proper way, because, you know, I'm not feeling like my breasts are fuller or something, because they're side apart, and this top is making me feel like I'll not have to wear a bra if I'm not wearing it. I mean, I don't know. Maybe other chicks might find it good, but for me, this top, here it is a bit weird, but overall I like the top. I like the style of the top. The fabric is also good. So I would like to give it 9 on 10. I'm totally exhausted making this video because I have to continuously change clothes, and please excuse my room is really very dirty. It's all messed up. So this is the last piece. I love the fact that the top has a really nice fitting. I love it. But the only thing, and it also has a boat neck, very new. I don't have anything which has a boat neck in my wardrobe, so this is a plus point. I'm glad that I ordered this. I am satisfied with the top, the material as well of the top. It's nice and very soft material. It's not it is not irritating the skin. I love it. Now coming to the skirt. The skirt is like, it is a see-through material, I would like to say, because it is very thin. It is made of the same material which has been used in the top, and as you can see, the top material is very thin. So this is also very thin, and my undies would be visible. So I'll have to wear my stockings or something which is not visible when I wear my skirt. Overall, I like this cord set. So I would like to give it a 7 on 10 because it's see-through. Though the fitting and everything is nice. I love it. I hope you all liked my video, and I hope you all enjoyed the review which I gave about Shein. As you all know that it has been banned in Shein has been banned in India. So I'll not be able to return any of the stuff which I ordered. Though I ordered it a lot of weeks back. I don't even remember when I ordered, and I received it very much later. So I don't think I'll be able to return any of the stuff. I'll have to wear it now. And this is the last Shein haul video maybe I'm making. I don't know whether I'll be able to now shop from Shein or not. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Bye.